Joe Beermaster the Car Master here. Today we have a 2014 Jeep Patriot. This goes for multiple years and actually multiple models of Jeep and other cars, but for the Patriot I'm going to show you how to take the tail light assembly out if you need to change a bulb. This one, the turn signal light's not working, although it's a multifunctional bulb. It's for the running lights, it's for the brake light, it's also for the turn signal light, and this is for the reverse light, but it's the upper one that's out. So first thing you're going to do, this is real easy, open the hatch, and there's no access on the inside, so we have to remove this assembly. So if you look at these pins, they're holding it in, and then on the back side there are push pins and a grommet that hold it in. So the first thing is to get these out, and the way we do that is we get a screwdriver and we loosen the center of the pin. Sometimes they come out easy. We're going to do both. This one's particularly a little tough, but we're going to work it out. And then I'll use an angle cutter or a clip remover and just kind of grab the center and pull that out. Then you want to take the center pin out. Same thing on the bottom. All right, we got that one out. Take the center pin out. And now, sides, pull on it. If it comes out, it's good. Sometimes you got to give it a little push here like this to loosen it up. Not too hard, you don't want to break it. And there you go, it came out. There's two lights, one for the reverse, one for the turn signals and stop light, running light. We're going to spin it, came right out. We're going to pull the bulb out straight. And each bulb has a number on it. You can order the bulb by the number, or you can go to call the local supply house and tell them what the application is for, and they'll know what the bulb is. So you can also see that the bulb's a little black, which indicates that it's burnt. So we're going to get the new one. Just push it straight in. Now we're going to put it back. Now you can see it only fits one way. They got these little slots here that has to match up. Just turn it, clicks right in. Line up the grommets on the left side, push it in. All right, that's in. Now before you put everything together, you should test. All right, so we're testing it. All right, it's working. Turn the turn signal off. Now put the brake light on. Put your foot on the brake. That works. And then you also want to put your running lights on. Foot off the brake and turn the headlights on. And that's working. So we're good. Now we're going to put it all back together. Just push it in. Make sure it's nice and tight. And those pins. All right, so we make sure the pins are aligned, push it in. Now we're going to put these two little push pins in together like this. Don't push it all the way in. Slide it in there, get the base in, then push the center. Boom. That's one. Do the other one, slide it in. If you stick it in all the way, it won't fit. Let the bottom piece slide in. And then push it in. It's that pressure that holds it in. And that's it. The whole job can be done in 2 minutes if you have the bulb. Joe Beermaster Car Master, please subscribe and share this with your friends. Thanks for watching. I hope it helped. Take care.